Let's take one more problem related to star delta or delta star conversion. Sometimes it is very much important to select proper star or proper delta. Otherwise, it may happen that your problem will go wrong. Let's take a problem. Let's consider all the resistors will have the same value. So 2 ohm, 2 ohm, this 2 ohm. Our job is to find out. One thing I would like to discuss over here. See here, whenever we have to find out RAB, obviously we cannot touch A and B points. So there is no question of converting this star into delta because that will have this B point vanishes. So that is a problem. So beside this, I can convert any star into delta, delta into star. Obviously, I cannot consider this star also because the A point will go off. Thing is that you cannot convert this delta into star also because suppose you are considering I am converting this delta into star and the structure will look like this. This is original star and you are converting this outer delta into star, so you may connect like this. I have not given a value purposefully. If you connect like this, that won't be a right answer because whenever I am converting this delta, outer delta into star and original star is there, the structure will be like this. You have a one star and you are connecting one more star like this without having any interconnection between the neutral points. So if you want to convert the outer delta into star, it has to be like this. This is the original star and one more star you will get like this. These 2 points won't be same. So what happens whenever you convert the outer delta into star, you may get this problem. And then you have to redraw the circuit and unnecessarily number of steps for getting an answer will increase. To avoid this, what I will do? I will simply consider this star and convert it into a delta. So it will look like this. This star I am going to convert into a delta. One resistor I will get like this. Another resistor like this, and third resistor will come in parallel with this. It will become a very simple structure and fortunately we have all the values are of same 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, that star getting converted into delta, multiplying this 2 with 3. So the structure will look like this. This will be a converted delta and the values are 2 ohm, this is 2 ohm, this also 2 ohm, and then 2 ohm star I am converting into delta, that will become 6 ohm. So it will be 6, 6 and 6 ohm. I will get this 2 and 6 are in parallel, this is also parallel, this is also parallel. So 2 parallel with 6. So 12 divided by 8 for all the 3 combinations. I will get answer 1.5 ohm. So this will give you 1.5, another 1.5, third value 1.5. These are the points A and B. So I'll write a value 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Now it becomes very easy. 1.5 come in series with this 1.5. So the answer will be 3. And finally, this 3 ohm will come in parallel with 1.5. These are the points A and B. So I can say RAB is nothing but 1.5 parallel with 3. So 1.5 multiplied by 3 divided by 1.5 plus 3. So after solving this, I will get answer as 1 ohm. So RAB I will get as 1 ohm. So thing is that if I smartly select star and delta, then I will get an answer with minimum number of steps, so that I should not apply more series and parallel connections unnecessarily. But if I failing for that, so take an example, if I consider this problem, if I solve by this method, it will have more number of series and parallel, and it may increase number of calculations unnecessarily. So selection of smart star and delta is very important while solving a problem of star delta network. Thank you.